couple different acts today, and what we're going to be doing is Johnny Eric's going to be enlightening everyone on how to really play Ultimate. So the first thing we're going to do is show you really the ultimate play in Ultimate. It's called a Datalink. We're going to run it first, then we're going to go through it step by step for everyone. All right. So right now we're running around. We don't really know what we're doing.
Your man. So just got the ball.
Hey. Okay. Step with me. Step with me.
All right.
So that's the Datalink.
All right. So let's work through it nice and slow. So reset. All right. So Alex has received the pole. He catches the disc.
Right.
So now he calls out to set the
Datalink. Datalink.
Right. So
Immediately, someone must run behind.
usually a backup handler.
Right. And then
Right behind.
the hands are important here. You gotta make the TP. He screams, "Step on me!"
So there should be a stack, 4 people behind him. Okay? So it could be a wide defense there, could not be. Preferably while they are there. Looks around, handler looks around, sees that there's no options, throws behind him. And now, this handler begins his deep cut. Now, watch this. This is really, really, really important. Stop. Freeze there. Okay. Now, as the primary handler and the front of the stack exchange places, you fake a high pop up top. Watch, freeze. And now you complete at the bottom and you hit there. One more time. Back up, back up, back up. Control that. Ready, slowly. Nice and slow. Go, go, go. Ready, fake. Nice. All right. Now the hammer continues his deep cut.
Causing picks.
Right, causing picks. This is very important. You have to cause as many picks as possible. Preferably you shouldn't go in and out through the people. Just running around, trying to get as many picks as possible. Right. So now, the front of the stack cuts up. Cuts behind the backup handler. The backup handler, again, right, throws behind his head. And then cuts out, fakes right, cuts to the left. Really important. Fake right, cuts to the left. Also trying to get picks.
Then, of course, you hit your wide open deep man, ignore the pick calls, and
you should be in the end from this point, in which case you should play.
25 most useful throws you'll ever see in Ultimate. First one up is Alex with the future.
So Sean Lang's our coach. This is really important to us. So you take your thumb and pinky, put it in the disc, and it's important. It has to scrape the knuckles. Can't move your arm at all, only the wrist, and you have to say it while you throw it. Future. And he has thrown that through someone's legs in game first.
Alright, now the Berserker. This one's really useful. In case you can't grip the disc because you broke all your fingers. The basketball.
I mean, there's really no explanation needed for him.
Adrian, the snowball. Adrian again, paintbrush.
Oh, man.
This one's called the up and out. This one you can only use on a pole. This one's called the throw it. Raise your hand. Andrew Hollingsworth's favorite, the three-pointer. Alex with the pizza pie.
That's not it. Tom.
This one we don't really have a name for. We call it the head duck. Flapjack.
He can do it anyway.
Okay, bad one. Didn't flip it up.
Sam with the punch. Alex, spinning finger. Danny with the disc spinner. Jason with the baseball. Turbo pipe for your disc golf fans.
That's thumb in the middle of the disc, with 4 fingers.
Danny and Jason with the handoff.
Strong 8, strong 9.